Welcome to Management and Organizations Department of the Vrije Universiteit Amsterdam. We are a community of scholars who are passionate about topics related to the study of organizations and organizing. We do so by focusing on 4 research areas: entrepreneurship, organizational theory, organizational behavior HRM, and strategic management. Transparency is incredibly important, and then consequently people know what is expected, and they can focus on doing interesting work, reach out to international communities, collaborate with organizations, and consequently develop the projects for which they are passionate. And this is through that passion that we are making the difference. This is how we're making impact.
What I like about this school and this place is that there's a close to perfect balance between the 3 core domains that we do: top research, top teaching, as well as outreach to business and society. And we do that in a way that they reinforce one another. And to me, that is very exciting.
Although the Department of Management and Organization is one of the largest departments within our school, we work very closely as a team. And we need each other to accomplish our research goals and our educational goals.
For me, management and organization represents a great collaborative climate. It's simply a great place to work. It's a community of engaged scholars who together generate meaningful and impactful research.
What I really love about the M&O department is that we are given the opportunity to work with multiple scholars across the globe. And this sort of international collaborations allow us and give us the freedom to come up with creative and innovative research ideas.
For me, the Department of Management and Organization is truly unique because it allows people and supports people to truly craft their own unique career paths based on their interests and expertise. And that's what makes it such a great place to work.
And as a department, we're very fortunate to be located so closely to Amsterdam Zuidas. So we work a lot together with the companies there on, for example, in-company training programs and research projects.
Of course, the research done at the M&O department is highly relevant and of top quality for the research community. But even more importantly, it is crucial and very insightful for businesses and the society as a whole.
What makes our department really special for me is that we do science with purpose. What that means is that we help businesses to organize towards a broader purpose.
To me, if I look into the future, I think what this department should be known for or will be known for is exactly those collaborations with organizations and collectively shaping the business environment. And this is the reason when I walk out at Zuidas, I'm saying, well, this is what we're making. This is the environment that we're collectively shaping. And this is both good for society and business.